Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to solve the issue of Canon. It could be many inkjets, but these inkjets could be different from the models are different. So now this Canon specifically does not pick up the papers. So the rollers rolls, but it doesn't pick up the paper. I'm gonna do something whereby I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube. People do different things and they win, but now it could be that what you're trying to do, it won't happen. It won't help you. Why? Depending on what you're using and all that. You get me? So I'm gonna do something very difficult to do. I would admit that it's difficult to do, but it works. Why is it difficult? You're gonna risk taking time, you understand, understanding and all that. So what I want to do before I waste your time, I'm gonna put it out of power. So now, after taking it out of power, I'm gonna put this printer on my lap. Right, been trying a lot of things this printer to work. So you can literally see down there those rollers, those pickup rollers. What can I do to make you really see? You need. So why is it difficult? Because this printer has a very tight space. So you can see where I'm pointing there. So these rollers here, these two pickup rollers up here, you can see when I go here, those two. So they are extremely dirty. 1, 2. So you need to clean them, and there is no easy access to this. But then you're gonna force yourself to do that, and you're gonna take time. So you need to get thinners or spirit to do that task. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a cloth like this, right? So I get spirit is here, right? I'm gonna soak in my hand in here, and I do this and do this, make sure it's wet, right? So now we're gonna start the job. You might not see when I'm putting my finger there, but at least you'll see the results, because I'm using one hand to make my video. So it's really a very tight space, very tight. So you need to be one of the people who are very patient, very passionate also of what you're doing. So now we're going to dip ourselves in there. It's not something to play. This is work. Work is work. You can see where we're going. You see the cloth where it's going there. So once you touch one of the rollers, you need to force yourself to make sure that roller is cleaned. When you clean, you have to roll it. Can't see because it's tight, because you can see the printers, because of my hand, it pushed it a bit out. So this is something you need to roll that cloth onto your finger. Okay. Yeah, so you will see the dirtiness on here when you take it out on the cloth. So you need to take time it takes time because it's dirty. I used to think the rollers were finished, but they are not finished. They are just dirty from the papers they do. soaking your hands there, force. It's not easy, but it's doable because I've done it and I'm doing it before. Don't worry about the camera, but you're gonna see the results. Okay, yeah, as you can do, I'm telling you, it's dirty. It's dirty, you can see the results here. But it's just dirty, being dirty. See the color, it's dirty. You can do it 4-5 times. The reason why it's difficult because there's no space here. So the printer won't give you any chance to get a space. There's no chance for you to get a space. But I promise you, some people do different methods. The rollers are exactly here. You touch them, you clean, you roll. You clean them, you roll. Okay, I think I'm done, but depending on how dirty yours are, so we're gonna now test if we can get the rollers to roll in papers. So what we have to do is to get good papers, because we've been using thinners or spirit. You can also get a little bit of some time. You can see the rollers. You can see my rollers are very clean now. I wonder if you can see them. It's a very tight space. Put this down. Yes, you can see those rollers. They're very clean. So if you use thinners, you need to wait a bit so that the rollers get dry. But I'm sure they are dry. So now I'm gonna get papers here, and I don't want to spend okay. Also, you make sure the guide is fine. I don't want to push them, because when I push them in, they're gonna be like they are climbing up. So it will be like helping the rollers to do what? To push the paper, which I don't want. I want the rollers to start picking up themselves. I don't want to help them, because some people use that trick of helping the rollers to pick up, which is okay for them, but you cannot have time to be helping the rollers to pick up. So once I'm done, I'm gonna switch on. Then I want to make this copy. Okay, so let me make just 2 to see that we're not chancing. Put this down. When the machine is fine, then you say 2, then you say black. I need to make black. Okay, look at the printer itself. It should pick up. If it doesn't pick up, you repeat and see that there's dirt on your cloth, the one you're using to fix. See, still pumping in ink. Something went wrong here. Get me. I'm gonna pause the video, then I see what went wrong. I just switched on the machine again. Let's see what happened. Okay, I'm gonna do 2. Say black. There's something going on. Maybe because the papers are still wet. So if that's the case, it could be the rollers are still wet, or they are not cleaned nicely. But I know that I cleaned them nicely. I'm gonna have to take them out and check. You see, I have to check here. You can see what's going on here. It could be like they're wet. Yeah, there was some. You can see here down. There's some sort of wetness. If they are wet, so they won't be picked up. Let me put in new. Should pick up. Okay. Maybe this is not closed. That could be the issue also. Okay. Wanna see what's my mistake? This was maybe not closed. It was up. Okay, it came. Let's say 2. Want to make 2. Let me say 3. Then say enter. Let's see. Something went wrong. But we're gonna sort it out. Let me clean again. You see, it picked up. And it made a copy. When I say 3, I don't know why. I'm gonna say 2. Let me see 2 why it doesn't do. But on 1, it did pick up. Look, now it picks up with no stress. You saw 1 is done. Let's see if it's gonna pick up the second one. It should pick up the second one because I commanded 2. Seems like when you do one, it works. Let me see the second one. Second one, I wonder why it doesn't do 2, 3, whatever. But if I clear the error, let me clear the error. Then I do copy 1. See? Okay. Let me clear the error. Sometimes it comes on the papers. You see where there's those marks, small marks. So I think because it's still wet a bit, but it's been picking up. You saw it picked up, but you need to clean it. Because I'm doing a video, that's why I'm a little bit not patient to make. I don't want to make your life difficult by waiting a lot. So you need to wait for them to dry up, and yeah. Okay, let's try to see what's going on here, and try to make a copy 1. You see, it doesn't have an issue when you make 1 copy. Well, that's it, guys. I hope this helps you guys. I want you to do what I've done, then your printer is gonna pick up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also watch other videos and see the easiest way, but this was the best, most effective way for me, because I used to push this thing to help the printer to pick up, but now I don't help it. It picks up by itself. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.